Hey guys, I might have disappeared for a while, and yes, new haircut. What we thinking? Giving a bit wolf cut, but also jellyfish haircut. I mean, I was wearing a cap the entire time, so my hair is like. We are at the airport. We by me and Iluka, and. I disappeared for a while, as one does. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, who's that? Who's that guy? This is gonna be a messy vlog because I'm gonna go to France and then we're gonna go into railing. Me and Iluka and a couple of friends, and then another friend of ours. So we're 5 people. And I really want to be in the present, so I might not record much. I don't think I'm gonna vlog, but I will record some videos of like the pretty things and like the cool things, but I'm also gonna mostly live in the moment. So I don't know how good this vlog is gonna be, but also I think it's cool to record things. You know what I mean? Like, I'm literally at the airport. I'm gonna be here for 12 hours. And I'm gonna sleep like 2 of them because, I don't know, sleeping at the air. I mean, I probably will be able to fall asleep, honestly. I just came back from Boom, the festival. I slept anywhere at Boom, but that's the thing. In Boom, everyone sleeps anywhere. But also a lot of people sleep at the airport. We're next to 2 other people sleeping, so I think I will manage. Anyways, I don't know how good this video is gonna be. I don't know how good I will be able to edit it. I don't know anything, okay? But I'm gonna record it either way because memories. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the setup because I think me and Iluka are pretty good at this. It's my first time doing these type of things. We're gonna be interrailing for 1 month, so I think we're gonna be sleeping in a lot of uncomfortable places for a long time because we're all on a budget. We're all on a fucking budget. So plan is, me and Iluka going off to France now. We're gonna spend like 10 days at Iluka's grandparents. So I'm gonna meet Iluka's families. That's why I look like this. And I'm gonna probably hide my septum. I don't know. They're old French people. They're scary. They're not really open. I don't know. Anyways, this is the setup. We have an inflatable mattress that it's extremely comfortable, a pillow. All our shit are here, and we're just by the window, which is by the door, so we can go outside anytime we want to, I'm pretty sure. And we're gonna departure like over there. Let me try and show you guys. This is the bag that I'm bringing on me all the time, and I have like a big bag that you guys are gonna see. And I'm gonna show you what's inside Kim's bag when she's gonna travel. This is an inflammable, I don't know, inflatable. You on it. It's those things that you put around and you sleep on, and it's pink with cactuses, and then it has a little bag and you open it. I have my wallet. I bought a small little notebook, a sketchbook, and I'm gonna do small little drawing. A little ruler, you know, it's pink with a cherry because, you know, Kim, and it's like this, and then there's like this. Why? Because it's just easier. I can do straight lines, I really can, but on a sketch, and especially on a sketchbook like this. But I want my drawings to be precise. This is not a scrapbook. It's a proper sketchbook. Each drawing here is supposed to take me 1 hour, and they're gonna be small, animated, cartoonish drawings. And I can do a tour of the sketchbook after. Also, I might change my mind halfway through the process of the sketchbook, which happens very often. But yeah. And then I have a little pink small pencil case. I just brought the essentials, which is a eraser, blue fine line pen, white fine line pen, metallic fine line pen, a normal HB pencil, a normal pen to write normally, a red fine line pen, and a black fine line pen. It's all fine line. It's all the essentials. I do have a pencil sharpener, but it's for makeup, and it's in the bigger bag. I didn't bring any color, any sort of coloring material. Really sad, but a girl needs to be practical, you know? A girl wants to do color but can't. Then I have this box full of piercings. Why? Because these motherfuckers tend to get lost pretty quickly. Also, I'm with these two. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if you guys have seen me with the other ones. I don't know what videos I've recorded. Last video was Porto. I didn't even have any piercing. Anyways, piercing tour. Septum was the last piercing I did. These two were the first ones I did. And the belly button was the third one I did. I have charger. And then I have passport and stuff. Power bank, charger for the power bank, charger for the headphones, and then I have condoms, pads, glasses. I have a little small package of Vaseline, and I have Bepanthen because this is good for rashes and anything that's irritating, which tends to happen to Iluka. So I'm here to protect my man. And then I have some jewelry and some things for my hair. So yeah, this is what we have. This is what's in Kim's bag. I bought this cap and I think it looks really good on me. I fuck with the new look, guys. I really do. He also changed his hair. He went to Thailand. The buzz cut is growing. Motherfucker arrived from Thailand like a month and a half ago. €3? What is that? Yeah, we're screwed. We're fucked. We're poor already. We haven't even started. It fell really quickly.
So we're together.
We're in France. Finally, we slept at the airport. It was like, that was a crazy experience. We're like falling asleep and waking up and falling asleep and waking up. We arrived in France at like 9. We had to wait for Luca's brother. That arrived at like 1. And then we took a bus. That was 1 hour, and then we got picked up by Iluka's dad, which was like another 1 hour and a half. We just had dinner. We're like in the middle of nowhere in the mountains, which is like really beautiful, really chill with Iluka's entire family, and they're all speaking French, and Iluka's grandparents were trying to speak English to communicate with me. I was not hated on by the piercings, at least not towards me, in front of me or anything. This is our room. I'm gonna show you guys the view of our room because this is crazy. There's a pool and shit. It's like crazy. Look at this. The pool is right there. Beautiful.
Player 2 is
Gang.
Andy. That's Andy.
Everyone. Italy, here we come. Italia. Everyone say something.
What am I supposed to say, bro?
I don't know. Andy, say something.
Ventiniglia.
Do it, bro. Do a flip. Do 2 flips, bro.
What's got ring?
Mollare, che talora sospira e che al sol del mattino più dolce si fa. So mollare, che talora.
Going to a techno festival, as we do.
As we
in
do.
the woods.
In the woods.
That we only found out about today.
Exactly. It's the last day of the festival.
And we're gonna sneak in because it's very expensive and we don't have money.
Yeah, and it's also, we're not going to pay 100 euros for like 2 hours of festival. These are the woods in Slovenia. Forest and woods is the same thing, right?
I wouldn't mind going up into like a mountain and have like a nice viewpoint at some point.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Like, you guys can take a break and I can walk a little bit. I don't know.
Broski, don't even try to.
Don't even try,
Don't even try to.
fucking
Don't even try to run up on your own. Kind of hope before that.